Good evening, students. Welcome to the last lesson of Foundation of Customer Service. This lesson will focus on teamwork and the benefits of teamwork in customer service delivery. So, why are teams so popular in customer service delivery? Well, one thing I can tell you is um, the performance of teams is better than the performance of one individual. They're more efficient in delivering their service, less mistakes, less wastage, team effort, um, and people are more happy because they feel part of the team. They are not pressured to work alone in the company. They're not pressured to meet certain standards in the company. They work and achieve these standards as a team. So that's why teams are very popular in organizations or service-oriented companies. What is teamwork? Is when a group of people within an organization decide to work together to share the same goals, to be committed to an organization, and to be accountable as a team, and to serve the customers as a team. The purpose of individuals becomes one purpose to achieve one goal, and that is what teamwork is all about. And the efforts are all based on one purpose. So a team is basically a small group of people with complementary skills or skills that complement each other who work together to achieve one goal or one purpose. And that goal is normally a company goal. And that company goal is linked to achieving their individual personal goals. And it puts them together and until that goal is achieved or until they achieve a certain result. Okay. So, what are the benefits of a team? Teams become very attached, or people in teams become very attached. And when they work together, they share ideas. Each and every person is allowed to contribute their ideas and make suggestions. People communicate, they interact with one another. People accept their diverse cultures. Each one has a sense of responsibility as they are working to achieve a certain goal or purpose. Everybody with their own opinions and customs and preferences understand each other and accept each other. They participate as a team, not as individuals. They don't compete, rather they work to achieve one goal. The productivity is thus increased, the service delivery is thus excellent. Customers work better as a team than individuals, so they don't feel pressured, so they stay longer in a company, less wastage, less errors, and faster delivery as the team works together. And we've seen this in a lot of companies where they have put teams together on shifts in hotels, in restaurants, in takeaway companies, and it has worked all over the years. So we know that team effort is one of the aspects or dimensions that companies use to exceed the service delivery to customers. So if you look at this diagram, as you can see from the top down, the pyramid is facing down. It's actually facing down. Normally, in an organization structure, the CEO will be at the top and the customers will be at the bottom. Now, a customer-oriented company and a team-oriented company, the customer is the king on top, who meets then the frontline staff, who then works together with the functional and operational staff, and then the senior managers and the CEO. So that's why the pyramid is facing down. This is a team of people working together to satisfy the top person, which is the customer. And this is the most important person in the organization. Not the CEO, not the managers, but the customer is the most important person in an organization. He is the one that defines the creation of the product, the creation of the organization, everything. Without the customer, none of these structures will exist. That is why we have to include our customers in the team All right. So this was the end of the lesson. Thank you for listening and good night.